So good morning everyone. So today we are going to install VMware in our system. I will recommend you all to install this version 16 as it comes with many more features. So if you haven't downloaded, I recommend you to download this VMware 16 version. So we have to do is just go to VMware and double click on it. Preparing VMware VirtualBox for installation. Okay. I will provide you with the key, so you don't need to worry. That key will work for you. Here I have set up ready. Now just click on next. Accept the term and condition. I will not select this one. I will just next to it. Check for product updates. I don't want to check it for update, and I don't even want to join the VMware customer experience, so I will untick this both. Desktop, yeah, okay. Start menu, yeah, this all will be fine. Install, so it will take some time. So here it's installed properly. I will click on finish and I will open the key. I will just select the first one, just copy it and open VMware Workstation Pro from here. Minimize both of them. Here I am asked to feed my license key. I will just paste it here and continue. I think the first one didn't work. Now it's work. Thank you for buying VMware. Okay, now finish. Now the VMware is installed successfully, and we will install Linux and many other operating system on it, so we can later use it. So that's all in this video. Hope you have a good day. Bye.